Hi students, how are you? I hope you all are doing good. Welcome to grade 12 business mathematics class. We are learning our fourth chapter differential equations. So first section, three more problems are left. So in this class we will complete the remaining three problems. Okay, so listen. Problem number 5. Form the differential equation that represents all parabolas, each of which has a lattice rectum 4a and whose axes are parallel to the x-axis. Form the differential equations that represents all parabola, each of which has a lattice rectum 4a and whose axes are parallel to the x-axis. Okay, listen. Form the differential equation. You need to form the differential equations. So keep it in mind. It's the lattice rectum 4a parallel to x-axis. So parallel to x-axis means the parabola will be like this. Is it right? So this is parallel to x-axis roughly. So the vertex is h comma k. So parallel to x-axis. Keep it in mind, parallel to x-axis. If it is parallel to y-axis, it will be there. Okay. So parallel to x-axis. So it is a open rightward parabola. So if it is a open rightward parabola, then the equation is, what's the equation? You have learned in the last section, that is y minus k the whole square is equal to 4a into x minus h. So you have learned, okay. This is equation number 1. Now differentiate 2 into y minus k into dy by dx is equal to 4a into, the differentiation is 1. So now y minus k into dy by dx is equal to 2. Okay. So how much you will get? 2a. This is number 2. Now it is in the form of uv. It's in the form of uv. So what's the formula? U dash v plus uv dash. Now differentiate dy by dx into dy by dx plus y minus k into dy by dx d square y by dx square is equal to 0. Understand students? So what will we do? We will differentiate this uv form. So u dash v. So u dash into v plus this into this one. Differentiate. This is 0. So this one is equation number 3. Okay. So now from 2. So 2 into, now we are going to 3. Okay, so what is 3? dy by dx the whole square. From here you can find the value for y minus k. What's the value for y minus k? Equal to 2a by dy by dx. Now substitute this value here. So plus 2a by dy by dx into d square y by dx square is equal to 0. Understand? Substitute this value here. Okay students, now take the LCM and we need to simplify. Okay, take down the LCM and simplify. So the LCM is dy by dx. So dy by dx the whole cube plus 2a into d square y by dx square is equal to 0. So dy by dx the whole cube plus 2a into d square y by dx square is equal to crossing times 0. So this is a required answer. Understand students? Very easy. So keep it in mind, that is open rightward parabola. So this is an equation. 2 times you need to differentiate. First time you differentiate, find out this value, substitute this value in this given equation, you will get the answer. Understand? Okay, let's move to the next question, problem number 6. Find the differential equations of all circles passing through the origin and having their centers on the y-axis. Okay, so find the differential equations of all circles passing through the origin and having their centers in the y-axis. Okay, so given equation of the circle. What's the equation of a circle? This and all you have learned there already. So keep it in mind. So all it is center same. Keep it in mind. Center same. Okay, center same. So center same. You have get more. So 0 comma k. So it is y. So 0 comma k. Keep it in mind. This is y axis. This is x axis. This one simply for your understanding. So solution. What's the given equation of circle? X minus h the whole square plus y minus k the whole square is equal to r square. This one already I taught you. Okay. Then this one. Required equation is in the place of h you need to substitute a 0, correct? So x minus 0 the whole square plus y minus k the whole square is equal to in the place radius k, correct? Radius k. So k square, correct? Is there no? K square. So x square plus a minus b the whole square, y square minus 2ky plus k square is equal to k square. This 2 will get cancelled. What's the balance? X square plus y square is equal to 2ky. Take it as equation number 2. Now differentiate 2x plus 2y into dy by dx is equal to 2k into dy by dx. This is equation number 3. You need to remove this k, right? For that, what will you do? If you divide equation number 2 by 3, you will get the k. You will get cancelled. So listen here. Given equation of the circle we wrote. Next, h comma k. If it is x-axis, h comma 0. Keep it in mind. If it is, they will change the question. Having the centers on the y-axis means 0 comma k. So if it is generally h comma k, it is in y-axis means 0 comma k. If it is in x-axis, h comma 0. Keep it in mind. So according to that, I substituted the value and I have differentiated. Now I need to remove this k. For that, I am going to divide equation number 2 by 3. Okay. So we'll divide by 3. That implies x square plus y square divided by 2x plus 2y into dy by dx is equal to 2ky divided by 2k into dy by dx. So 2k get cancelled. So what's the balance? X square plus y square into dy by dx cross multiplied equal to, bring this to here, 2x plus 2y into dy by dx into y. So simplify, that is x square plus y square into dy by dx is equal to 2xy plus 2y square into dy by dx. Then x square into, is it right? Into. So x square into dy by dx plus y square into dy by dx is equal to 2xy plus 2y square into dy by dx. Okay. So what will happen? X square into dy by dx is equal to this one. If we bring this side, what will happen? 2xy plus 2y square into dy by dx minus y square into dy by dx. So x square into dy by dx is equal to 2xy plus 2y square minus y square means y square, is it right? Y square into dy by dx. So x square dy by dx minus y square into dy by dx is equal to 2xy. So dy by dx into x minus x square minus y square is equal to 2xy. This is answer. Understand? I have took this x square minus y square as common. The balance is dy by dx. Understand, students? So we will divide 2 by 3, cross multiply and multiply inside. Common terms bring it one side. Take the common outside. We will get this. Last problem. The question is, find the differential equation of the family of parabola with foci at the origin and axis along the x-axis. Okay, so along the x-axis the parabola will be like this. Okay, so it will be maybe like this, so many chances are there. So if it is this side means we will get h comma 0, this side means minus h comma 0. Then we will get the equation is y square is equal to 4a into x plus h. So the distance from here to origin is h means here it is a. Is it right? It is a. So it will be a. So y square is equal to 4a into x plus a. In the place of a, h is a. It's equation number 1. Now simplify, differentiate 2y into dy by dx is equal to 4a. So bring this to here. 2y by 4 into dy by dx is equal to e. So what will happen? Y by 2 into dy by dx is equal to e. Now substitute in the equation number 1. Y square is equal to 4 into y by 2 into dy by dx x plus y by 2 into dy by dx y square is equal to this, it will go. So 2y into dy by dx x plus y by 2 into dy by dx. So this y and this will get cancelled. So y is equal to 2 into dy by dx x plus y by 2 into dy by dx. So multiply inside, y is equal to 2x into dy by dx plus 2 will get cancelled. So y into dy by dx the whole square. This is a required answer. Understand, students? So very easy, same as our examples. So please write down 2 or 3 times and take the practice, then only it will be very easy for you. Okay. Our next topic, just we will start it today. We started. So put the next heading, solution of differential equation. Put the heading, solution of differential equation. So this all the things when we are doing the problem I will explain for you. Then differential equation in which variable are separable. If in an equation it is possible to collect all terms of x and dx on one side and all the terms of y and dy on another side, then the variables are said to be separable. The general term of such an equation. Just you go through this when we are doing the problem we will find it. Okay, so but this is very very important. So if you need means you take in a note, otherwise from your book itself you can learn, no problem. Understand, students? So put the heading solution of differential equation. Otherwise write down from here to here, we will use in the problem. Understand? So the general form is f of x du equal to g of y dy. That is x term one side, x and its differentiation, and y and its differentiation is on another side. If you are bringing one side means f of x into dx plus g of x into dy is equal to 0. In this form we will change it and we will find out the solution. Understand? Okay. So, example 4.6. Solve x square plus x plus 1 into dx plus y square minus y plus 3 into dy equal to 0. Solution. Given x square plus x plus 1 into dx plus y square minus y plus 3 into dy equal to 0. It is of the form, what is the form? Now only I taught you what's the form. It is of the form f of x into dx plus g of y into dy. Correct? Yes or no? F of x into dx plus g of y into dy. Okay. So now we can integrate. Integrating time. X square plus x plus 1 into dx plus integration of y square minus y plus 3 into dy equal to some constant you need to apply, that is c. Now integrate x power n. How will you integrate? 2 plus 1 means by 3 plus x square by 2 plus 1 dx means plus 6. Then y square term means y cube by 3 minus y square by 2 plus 3y is equal to c. This is the answer. Understand, students? Understand? One more question we will do. Solve dy by dx is equal to e power x minus y plus x square e power minus y. Solution. Given, what is given? Dy by dx is equal to e power x minus y plus x square e power minus y equal to e power, split it, e power minus y e power x plus e power minus y x square. Take the common outside, e power minus y. So e power x plus x square. Okay. Then now you need to separate the variables. Okay. Separate the variables. We will get, now separating time, e power y dy equal to e power x plus x square into dx. Y, e power y, is it right? So 1 by e power y, you will write it. So dy by dx, if you need you can write it here. Almost dy by dx. So if you are writing this one like this means dy by dx is equal to 1 by e power y into e power x plus x square. Cross multiply e power y dy is equal to dx into e power x plus x square. Understand, students? Understand? Now I have separated. Now you can integrate this. You will get the answer. Integrating e power y dy equal to integral of e power x plus x square into dx. So e power y is equal to e power x plus x square means x cube by 3 plus 1 constant c. Understand? So I will repeat it again. It is given dy by dx is equal to, separate this, dy by dx is equal to, take this reciprocal and cross multiply, separate and integrate, you will get the answer. Okay. So we have completed up to 4.7. Students, this exercise also included for examinations. Okay. So this exercise also you have for examination. So nearly 10 problems are there totally. I will try to complete within 3 days. So you can do today one homework, that is exercise 4.2 first Roman. 2 problems are there. Now we have completed the same one. Okay, can do dy by dx equal to a into e power y, that one, and the second Roman you can do, try to complete that. Okay, students. So 4.8, the problem is somewhat big. The start means we can't complete today. So we will do in the next class. So exercise, don't forget, first problem you will just write down. Okay, then only it will be easy for you. Otherwise you will feel very difficult. Please write it and take the practice. Then it will be very easy for you, students. We will do the next problem in our next class. The problem is little bit big. We can't complete today. That's why. Okay, students, don't omit anything. So today we have learned something. So that one you go through that and learn. There are 3 problems in that exercise. 3 mark question, often they are asking the question. So that's very, very important. So for 3 marks, that's very, very important. In this section, there's a lot of chance to ask 5 mark question. Okay. So we give concentration for the 5 marks. So next class I will start the 4.8 example. That problem is very very important, 5 mark. So today we have learned some 3 mark questions. So that's very very important for 3 mark questions. That is find the differential equations for the straight line, for the circle, for the parabola. Simply they will ask. So if we know the straight line equation, parabola equation and circle equation, just we will differentiate according to the arbitrary constant and we will remove the arbitrary constant when you are writing the differential equation. You will get the answer. Okay students, please learn. If you have any doubts, please ask in our interactive class on every Thursday. Whatever you have the doubts, you mark it and keep it. When we have the interactive class, we will discuss about the doubts. So unit wise we will discuss about discuss your doubts in our interaction class. So if you have any doubts, you can ask me. Okay students, be safe. Thank you. We will meet in the next class.